car key. They ask me which car.
Do you know how much they bought?
Why is they drive the car? Why is they drive? You get car. I be get car where resemble like this. Auntie, please allow me to carry my bag. Give me the car. Give me the car key now. They tell me say I carry the car.
Collect the car key. Collect her.
Auntie, don't make me vex. As I tell like this, police is that side.
Police, that place I from come.
You don't go. I don't need to expose them. Give me the car key, man. Carry the car key.
People already advise you not even fight. If you want to fight, making this thing go worse. If you want to supporting your mother. The annoying part, I don't like when I'm talking to my fellow human being. You are supporting your mother. Do your worst. No, it's not about doing the worst. If you want that worst, if not because of she, I am full ready. You're full ready. I'm telling you because I like
Mommy Jessy.
I open this coconut gate here, sir. Talk to me what you want, not to shout and disturb people.
Okay, auntie, I need my brother.
Did you even say the prank your brother pranked my daughter?
Well, your daughter first pranked me.
Is that what I did not prank him with?
No, answer me now. Your daughter first pranked the business.
This family now. Before I be the look you, but I don't see you like problems. You be trouble woman. Okay, you've called your sister and your friends to insult me.
No, she's not insulting you.
You're not even trying to listen to us. At least you try to listen to us.
She's not insulting you.
I'm not insulting you. No. Do you know when I react is when you are going, you are walking out.
Tell your mother to give me my brother car.
I'm not your mate.
Even should listen to my mother. Let my mother talk.
Where did you my house? And they don't see me the bag in my front. Carry car pack. For how much?
You know how much made them buy this car? No worry. If she even see my weight set, she know what to talk to me.
Who did this house? Boy. Jessy. Come out now. Me and you inside there. They. So you don't let her go in her house.
Yeah. What I could do?
You are asking questions.
You question and then a jam question. They ask me. Where your mother?
My mother not there.
Where your mother go? No go there. Go call your mother.
My mother not there house.
No raise voice, so.
Go call your mother.
Which one be no raise voice?
I don't know why they do as you know even try.
As you see me now, no get problem. Go call your mother so that
My
you
mother
go give me.
house.
Go give me my brother Kaki.
Call her.
My mother hold the key. Not me hold
Call
the
her
key.
for phone.
My mother is not around now.
Call her on phone.
I will not call her on phone.
Meaning what now?
Meaning I don't want to call her.
Jessy, as you see me like this, I no want talk. Police is there outside there. If your mother no go,
If you like maybe how many people wait there outside?
now wait till I know they talk too much. No, I no want wahala. No be she wey carry me come. Nah, her mother won't say because so that you go tell me the reason why I go seize the.
You know how much money they sell this car?
How much they sell the car?
He dey ask me.
She asked how much they sell
He
the
dey
car.
ask me. No be this car wey he carry prank him. He dey ask me. You don't know how much they sell.
This is your mother no get conscience.
This is a car of 10 million. I be 15 million. You know how much they sell this car? Your mother don't see the car. They carry this get mine. They carry this car. They come on. Now your mother they drive this car.
People are sleeping. I feel they shout. Your voice they loud and people they.
I want to see your mother. Thank God she's back. Auntie, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Happy New Year. I know they make noise. I know you are
I heard your voice, you're shouting.
He heard my voice. So he there inside. He follow like this to go outside.
Which one means she there inside?
She don't tell me. Allow me make her talk now. Allow me make her talk. No one shout.
Are you here to shout or you want
No,
to
he
talk?
say they hear my
From all
voice.
the way from outside, I heard your voice. You are telling me where I from go and where I from.
I hear now
go.
because
I
he
don't
say
get
they hear my voice. And whether it's
Anyway.
from back to follow enter.
Since you've come to show, let me go and rest.
I know they shout, auntie. Please, I won't follow you.
This will not be a matter of no, they give us this attitude, madam.
Auntie, come
no, they
now.
give us
Wait,
attitude.
now,
I know
my
they
mother
drag
will
you. Why
give
you
us
go
attitude.
now?
I will not Wait, man. you We are are still talking talking, to. you are dragging me.
No,
No,
for
you are
dragging.
walking away. You don't make any sense now.
Do you know what I'm talking to you?
I didn't even talk to you.
Yes,
Why are you
now.
shouting at me? I don't understand.
No,
Why are you
why
shouting?
not?
Wait, why are you shouting?
Because you are walking out.
Hold me.
See, as
What
I may look like you like trouble, but we did not come here
Auntie,
for trouble.
no
She
vex.
like
Auntie,
trouble.
no
We did not
vex.
come
I know
here
they
for trouble,
drag you.
please.
No,
Mommy,
vex.
let's
Go out.
Let's hear
No,
what
don't go.
Should I go inside?
I won't see you, ma.
Then you come down and talk. You want to talk to me?
I
Why are you
am
shouting?
sorry. Please, I won't collect my brother Kaki. Now wait till carry me call here.
Which country?
My brother Kaki. They ask me which car.
Do you know how much they bought
Why
this
is they
car
drive
and
the
come
car?
here?
Why is they drive? You get car. I be get car where resemble like
key.
this. Auntie, please allow me to carry my bag. Give me the car.
Carry the car now.
Give me the Kaki now. They tell me say I carry the car.
Collect the car key. Collect her.
Auntie, don't make me vex. As I dey like this, police is that outside.
Police, that place I from come.
I don't need to expose them. Give me the car key. People don't already advise you not even fight.
If you want to fight, you are free to fight. If you want to talk as a normal human being, you are free to talk. But when you are here with your friend, shouting up and
I'm not shouting.
You're still shouting.
I'm not shouting.
Hey, hold on, please. Please just avoid me. I beg you. If you want to shout, you can shout from now till tomorrow. I don't care. At least you must have known me by now. So if you want to carry your brother's car, just talk to me what you want, not to shout and disturb people.
Okay, auntie, I need my brother car.
Did you even say the prank your brother pranked my daughter?
But your daughter first pranked him.
I did not prank him with
No, answer me now. Your daughter first pranked
This
family now. Which one say my brother pranked?
Can we start continuing pranking now?
If you want to prank me now. What I want to carry myself.
I have seen that you come to fight me.
I no come fight. I want carry.
You brought your heavy load.
Now my girlfriend. I no feel leave am. Now me and I
follow you. Now I'm gonna jack the motor. At least
I no go jam and not you. Now if you just enter house, give me the car.
Before I be the look you want, but I don't see you like problems. You be trouble woman. Okay, you've called your sister and your friend to insult me.
No, she's not insulting you.
You're not even trying to listen to us. At least you try to listen to us.
She's not insulting you.
I'm not insulting you. No.
Do
you know when I react is when you are going. You are walking out.
Tell your mother to give me my brother car.
I'm not your mate.
If you should listen to my mother, let my mother talk.
If you want to talk to me, talk to me.
Oh yeah, if you want to listen to us.
If you want to talk,
Auntie, talk.
You're shouting. Your friend is shouting.
Auntie, come now.
I'm not my mother. Stop pushing her. She just came back.
I'm not pushing you. Why? You cannot change people's voice. You cannot change people's voice.
No, this is
my voice.
No, this cannot be a real voice.
Twice. No, not twice. 3 times. How many
times? Auntie, please give me my brother car key, please.
How many times have you dragged me here?
Auntie, leave.
Did I touch you?
Leave me. Leave
Did
that
I touch you?
See, now you're even making the whole thing worse. Give us car key. In a peaceful way, we don't work. No, give my brother car key. You're telling me, Jessy, my brother prank.
Man, doesn't know how to talk.
Oh, yeah, sorry. My brother.
Sorry, give us
my brother.
Yeah.
How?
Because as the car park here, he's of no use. He's not even doing anything. How? Want me to explain to you?
Yes, now.
Have you not been watching it before you even come down to Port?
Because of my brother pranked Jessy. But Jessy.
What kind of prank?
But Jessy pranked him first.
I did not prank him with ritual
You pranked him with his car. And second one, you pranked him with condom. I'll be what?
I did not prank him with ritual.
I've already taken care of your daughter.
Are you not okay? You are back.
She's okay.
I'm not fine.
You are not fine.
I'm not fine now.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying.
Jessy, why are you lying?
I'm not lying now.
Why are you supporting your mother?
Why would I support my mother?
Why are you supporting your
The
mother?
annoying part, I don't like when I'm talking to my fellow human being. You are
you supporting
don't
your
make any
mother?
sense.
Do your worst.
No, it's not about doing the worst. If
Auntie,
you want that worst,
Mommy Jessy.
if not because of she,
Mommy
I am full
Jessy.
ready.
You're full ready.
I'm telling you
That's
because
what I like.
Mommy Jessy.
I like it.
Mommy Jessy,
I like it.
I beg in the name of God.
now she are the look.
If you want to let your space step aside.
Step where? Yeah, another step any. Another
way.
If you tell me if na bad you are not going to even step in.
Other way. Auntie, come, no first.
No, come. No, they come out. When we dey talk, no, they come out. If you don't know, they come out.
No, I know they drag other way.
Hey.
And allow her to
I
talk.
like this kind of dancing.
Auntie, no first.
You want us to start
That
dancing?
is so
Auntie,
annoying.
no vex.
When somebody talking to you,
Mommy,
they walk out.
no vex. I just need my
I think you know me. You're supposed to know me.
You know me too.
And as I calm down, you don't like it.
You know me too.
The way I calm down, you don't like it.
Do you want to fight me?
I will beat you.
You beat me.
I will not fight
Okay, no problem. I know you beat me. But I need my brother.
That's why they beat one B. You look my friend finish.
And you get your friend to be quiet
Calm
now.
down.
Yes, now my mouth oh. You cannot shut me up.
Ada is okay.
But calm down.
Fine.
Yeah, that
See,
is
let me
okay.
tell you something. From the call chats, from my WhatsApp message, I've had enough. If on my own self, I've volunteered to return the car today. Thank God you're here.
Thank God.
I'm about going out. But I will not give you this key except your friend go outside the gate.
Why?
That's one condition. Why?
No way.
Take it.
No, it's not possible.
Then we are going.
Don't they come out my house and let me know they come out.
This one you are saying is
Go
not
where?
It's not possible now. How can my boyfriend
Was
excuse
she when
us?
I carry the car?
Huh?
She came to
Me
run
and my dear.
Was she when you carry the car?
I'm not there.
You are a
You are
troublemaker.
asking me. I'm busy.
You're just creating talk on
She's
this
my friend.
You cannot bring stranger in my house and shout up.
She's not
And
stranger.
she's even dragging me.
She's not.
She's your friend, not my friend. I don't know her.
And sorry, Mommy Jessy.
I will not give you
I'm
this.
begging you.
Either you do what I said. or
I'm
go
begging
out.
you in the name of
Have a
God.
road.
I'm
Have a
begging
green.
you. I'm begging you. I know how.
can you do?
I'm begging you.
We'll continue.
Just go inside and give me my brother khaki. Let
Let
me
me
go.
want to go now.
Auntie, please go inside and give me.
She can't stand
tell
here.
your mother.
She cannot stand here.
Just do what your mother
tell your
say you should do now.
How can your mother tell me let my?
Then if I'm not ready for the child.
Why did you do this?
Who does that?
Then if I'm not ready for the kid.
Who does it? Who does it?
Who does that?
Here it doesn't now. Everything is doing right here now. You can't come from all the way from only God knows where with your friend. And she's even dragging me, telling me, you're shouting at me to give you your car.
Because you are not even giving us
Madam,
like
please.
we be human being.
Madam, please. I don't know.
No. You don't make any sense now.
That is the point now.
It's okay.
Don't worry. I want to see that.
Sorry.
Yeah, you still dragging me.
Sorry, I'm not
I want
dragging.
to see that.
Auntie, wait, Kwano. Where are you going?
Hey.
Go and bring the car keys.
Imagine. Wait, don't push my mother out. I thought you're begging. Now you're pushing
swear
us.
to God,
Jessy,
if you touch me again,
I will push you
if you
there.
ever touch me again,
Just
my
your
mother.
own.
Vivian,
If I push you
not
now,
touch my mother.
if I push you,
If your hand touch me,
if I push you, know me. Until you know me, but I know one
I don't know
problem.
you.
You don't know me. I know.
But if you touch me again,
I not go touch you.
I will touch this planet to battleground.
And because I didn't tell
Madam,
your
wait
compound.
now.
I leave her to go and give me no verse.
Let me even ask you. What do you want?
Sorry.
I want my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend.
My girlfriend brother.
Is your girlfriend?
Now we don't want
Is your
problem.
boyfriend?
Ada is okay.
Let her just go and say my mother will give you the keys.
Ada,
Simple.
just
What's
go
the big
outside,
deal there?
Go outside where?
Don't worry.
I'm not going anywhere.
You just go outside.
Go where?
No.
If you're not inviting me, embarrass me. If you're not inviting me, no. You are embarrassing me.
Ada,
You are
I'm begging
embarrassing
you.
me.
I'm not embarrassing you.
Then why will you bring me here?
Let me just bring the car key. Let me see. Sorry. Just guys. Just go outside. Sorry. Antoya, she's outside. Go and bring the car key. Sorry.
You've been dragging me
Sorry.
for no reason.
Sorry.
Why?
I say sorry now.
I have the car key with you already.
So you're driving my brother's car.
Which one is she's driving your brother's car? My mother has her own car. See her own car
Which
parked there.
car?
Which one is she's driving the car?
But your mother used to go out with this one.
She does not go out with it.
Thank you. Try.
I bet me I'm going out. I beg.
Go now. If you don't go, stay there. Ada? Yes? Help me open the car. Help me open the gate. No, she for not bring the car.
I open this gate yourself.
Try and open it. Let me drive go out.
Open gate, sir. Gate no go open this side.